I consider it a divine directed intervention that has led me to Dr. Galani over the years. He did my surgery 17 or 18 years ago in correcting my radial keratotomy, scarring, and abnormal cornea. Even that period of time hasn't changed his approach as a personal physician who reaches out to his patients, and he greets you by name and remembers the details of your surgery and your follow-up. That is rare in this world of medicine today, where you have to apply for an appointment months in advance, and it's practically a lottery when you get an appointment, as I recently have discovered. I appreciate his approach and his communication. Thank you.
Come, Doc. So you're all set. Everything looks great.
Here's our picture from before.
Yes. Oh my God. That's what 17 years ago.
Yes.
Oh my, amazing. See, this is the original one. When
I have more gray hair.
The suit.
Yes.
Oh, doctor, been an honor.
Thank you. Thank you.
Absolute pleasure. It's what 18th year going on post-op, right?